I can hear it right, yung pinag-uusapan dito, Mr. Chair, issue sa Dumoy. That is why, nung pinakita yung video ng presidente na inubos ko lahat sa Dumoy, talagang ubos lahat, Mr. Chair. It's not in Arlene apartment or what. It's in Dumoy na anti-drug operation, clandestine laboratory operation, Mr. Chair. That's what I'm saying, Mr. Chair.
Okay, but you did the operation in Dumoy, right?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So was there a clear, because when the president says, taking into the context of his pronounce it there, inubos ko sila lahat, did he direct you personally to make ubos of all the Chinese that you found there in the trade?
Lumaban yung anim, Mr. Chair. Kwento ko nga kanina, yung pang-anim na namatay, kinakal yung agent natin, yung police natin.
Yeah, Mr. Chair. I'm not saying the manner of which they were killed. I'm just trying to patch and link his statement with the one that you just said earlier. Kasi ang sinabi niya, inubos ko sila lahat. Pero kayo po yung gumawa ng raid. Now put that into context, did he order you to kill all those Chinese?
No, Mr. Chair. Hindi
Yun ang
po.
gusto kong
Kami
mention.
lang, sa amin yun, Mr. Chair.
Yun ang gusto naming i-point out po ni ni Chairman Benny Abante.
Yes,
So I
Mr.
would
Chair.
suggest to DJ Wilkins Villanueva not to speak on behalf of the President
Yes,
because we
yes,
can never understand what the President really means.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Okay,
Mr. Chair.
before that, let
Short
me
lang.
acknowledge the